If you have a website that requires appointment booking via chat, this AI agent chatbot is perfect for you. This AI agent chatbot requires customers' name, their phone number, timings and date they preferred, and this AI chatbot automatically updates your Google Calendar. So I will show you this live right now. Let's start with something. Chatbot will ask your customer's full name and phone number. So I will put mine, Karan, and their phone number. Do they want to talk to representative or book an appointment? So I want to book appointment. Reason for the appointment, let's say my ankle hurt. So let's say you have in you are a doctor and you want this chatbot for you on your website. So could you please tell me your preferred date for appointment? So let's say I want to book for 5 September. Now it will ask preferred timing. So I want to, for me, let's say 11 a.m. So there you go. Your appointment is booked for September 5, 2025 at 11 a.m. So let's go to our Google Calendar and let's see. Here you go. On 5th September, 11 a.m. appointment with Karan. That's it. So very simple. You can go as detailed as possible. If you don't want these, if you want some changes like intro, the intro message when a customer or a client or a patient comes to your website or your chat, this will you can easily change. I will explain you in a second. You can easily change. You can easily do as complicated, as complex as you want, as deep as you can. So let's dive into it. Let me hide this. So we will start with this chat trigger, a simple chat trigger. This is you can start with a simple initial message, or you can not. It's up to you. Then we have this if node. So let's say if a patient comes to your chatbot and they type something totally irrelevant to your business, or they type something completely nonsense, so this node will completely go to the false statement, the false node, and the chat will start again. The chat will give automatically the same question again and again until it finds something relevant to your business. So the true statement, the true part will be connected to your AI agent. This is where all your magic happens. This is where how you want your AI agent to be specific for your user. So I kept it very simple. So I instructed this AI agent like this. AI agent instruction for booking. I made this entire thing using ChatGPT. So objective: assist user in booking 20 minutes appointment by checking available time slots in the calendar and creating events accordingly, or connect them to your representative if requested. So these are the appointment rules. These are the tools I've used. So we have get event. So we have over here get event. This is get event. Flow: greet with hi, how's it going? Ask for their name, their phone number. Do you want to book an appointment? What's the reason of appointment? Ask for their preferred timing and dates. And I've also instructed this AI agent that show available time. Show only free slots in vertical list like 10 a.m., 10:20 a.m. Like all the available slots are 20 minute for 20 minutes. We also mentioned in the objective section 20 minutes of booking, 20 minutes appointment. So all the timings will be after 20 minutes, and this keeps on going till 10 p.m. So ask the user to choose the available preferred timing, and in the end, tell the user that your appointment is booked with their name, their phone number selected, their preferred date and timing. Ensure time block is 20 minutes and confirm user that their appointment has been booked. That's it. Then you will connect it to your chat model. You can use Google Gemini or OpenAI. I've used OpenAI and simple memory. And over here, it's very important. This is for getting event. This is for all the available data. Like if someone wants to book an appointment for 11 a.m., this will ensure that 11 a.m. slots are available. So this node will go through my Google Calendar, and if the preferred timing is not available, the AI agent will tell the user that your preferred timing is not available. And if it's available, it will automatically create that event, that preferred date for the user. And then in the end, we have respond to webhook. That's it. So for this, for Google Calendar, we have like Google Calendar. Put in your credential, set automatically, create event, get many, retrieve many events from calendar to retrieve data if any busy slots, or if any already booked appointment is there or not. So put in your email address, and over here we have 50, and over here we can automatically choose this. You can just go here and click this. That's it. This is important. Don't mess this up. Don't change anything else. And for the create event, similar stuff. Google Calendar account, add your credential, set automatic event. This is for creation, adding an event. If the available timing is available, so it will create an event in the Google Calendar. Again, similar thing. Click over here. Use default reminder. This is important. And over here we have description. Description means this thing. This is description. This is important. If you don't choose this description, if a user put in all your data over here, like their name, their phone number, reason for appointment and timings, this will not appear. So this is important. This gives the overall information about your user. Okay. And over here we have summary. Basically it's the same thing. So over here as well, you go over here and click on this. That's it. And that's it. This is your AI agent for booking appointment via chatbot. If you want me to build an AI agent for your business, just let me know. I have put in my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen, so you can DM me anytime you want. Take care.